Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to add Instagram to Likee. Linking your Instagram helps friends and followers find you across platforms easily. So if you want to add your Instagram account to your Likee profile step by step, here is how. Launch the Likee app open on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, tap on Edit. From the Edit Profile section, go ahead and scroll down and look for Instagram where it says Add Instagram to Profile and tap on it. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and log into Instagram account. Type down your phone number, username or email associated with Instagram and your Instagram account's password. After you are done typing down your credential, tap on the login button, and once you are logged in, you will see your Instagram handle appear on your Likee profile. So that's how you can easily add or link Instagram profile to Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.